Enhancing textile efficiency with Eurotherm NxG. Revolutionizing textile industry with Eurotherm NxG. In the fast-paced world of textiles, efficiency and precision are key to success. But have you ever considered the importance of the right thermic fluid in your heat transfer systems? Introducing Eurotherm NxG, the next-generation synthetic thermic fluid oil designed to enhance thermal efficiency in textile operations. The challenge in textile processing. Common textile industry challenges. In textile production, heat transfer plays a crucial role in processes like fabric dyeing, drying, and finishing, but many manufacturers face inconsistent heat distribution, frequent equipment breakdowns, high maintenance costs, short fluid lifespan. Eurotherm NxG. At Precitech Thermal PFA, we bring you Eurotherm NxG, a high-performance synthetic thermic fluid that ensures superior thermal stability, withstands high temperatures up to 320 degrees Celsius, longer lifespan, less oxidation, reduced fluid degradation, energy efficiency, improves heat transfer and reduces fuel costs, low maintenance, keeps your heat exchangers and boilers clean, extending their life. Eurotherm NxG is perfect for various textile applications including fabric dyeing and printing, synthetic fiber processing, thermal oil boilers for textile mills, heat-setting machines and drying processes. Upgrade your textile manufacturing process with Eurotherm NxG, a state-of-the-art control and monitoring tool. Eurotherm NxG enables manufacturers to enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and improve product quality. Call 996661155 for further assistance.